Warm greetings. The main aim of this project is to monitor people who are tested positive for COVID 19 and were made to quarantine themselves in home. First, let's look into admin side. When the individual is tested positive and was advised to quarantine themselves in home, only can access the web. The admin will enter the Aadhaar card number in the entry form. Once the submit button is clicked, the patient can access the web. When the patient is cured and tested negative, the admin can remove the web access by entering the respective Aadhaar card number in the delete form. Once the submit button is clicked, the respective details will be removed. Now let's look into patient side. Once the login credentials is provided by the admin, patient can access the web by entering their respective username and password. Here the username is their Aadhaar card number and the password is their date of birth. Once the login button is clicked, they will be redirected to their dashboard. The dashboard consists of patient details, prescriptions, doctor's guidance and help. When you click patient details and personal info, the personal information of the patient will be displayed. Now under the health status, you can update about your health at any time. Once the update button is clicked, you will be redirected to the dashboard. When you click the prescriptions that is given by doctor will be displayed and some general prescriptions that needed to be followed will also be displayed. Under doctor's guidance, there will be do's and don'ts that you need to follow while you are quarantined. Finally, under the help, when you click the contact, the helpline numbers will be displayed. If you need nearby hospital's number, you can get it by entering the PIN code. When you click the submit button, the details will be displayed. Under COVID test slot booking, you can book when and where you are coming for the COVID test. When you click the submit button, nearby hospitals will be displayed and you can book which hospital you are going for the test. When you click the link, your slot will be booked and the time will be allotted by the respective hospital. Finally, you can view your arrival time for the test in the time slot page. That is 1:30, which is allotted by the hospital.
Now the patient can request for appointment to consult doctor online. So if they go to appointment tab and they click request appointment, and if they request for appointment, you will be notified with alert. So the doctor will be notified that the patient is requesting for appointment. Once the doctor confirms the appointment, we will be notified back again. So to see that, we have to go to our patient dashboard and you have to see it in the appointment details tab. So as you can see here, I'm moving on to the appointment details status, and here you will be able to see all the details. And when it is your time to consult the doctor, when you click call, when you click a call, you will be able to meet the doctor. So this is a participant name is our name, and session name is a session name which is mentioned earlierly by the doctor, and mention after. If you click join, you'll be able to see the doctor is there in the call, so you can consult the doctor in online.
When you click the logout, you will be redirected to the login page. Now let's look into hospital side. Every hospital will be given a username and a password. Here the username is try_gh and the password is gh@123. Once the login button is clicked, you will be redirected to the page where the patient's Aadhaar number will be displayed. By entering the Aadhaar number, you can retrieve the patient records. When you click the Show Info button, you will be redirected to the page where the personal information will be displayed. Under Health Status, the health information will be displayed. In Prescription page, the doctor can update the prescription that needed to be followed by the patients. When you click the ad, the prescription will be updated. Finally, in COVID test, you can view the hospital name and arrival date that is booked by the patient. The doctor can allot the timing. When set button is clicked, the time will be allotted.
In the appointment tab, the doctor can give the appointment to the patient. Once the patient gives for request, the doctor is notified and he can select the specified time and date when he has to consult the patient, and he will be able to give the session ID. That means where they have to join with name where they have to join, like that they will be able to give. So here I'm giving session 5. So once they confirm, the patient will be notified the appointment details, all those things. And another tab is call. This is used for joining the appointment date for meeting the patient. So here I'm entering a doctor. So the session is the session which I mentioned for the patient to consult. So after mentioning the session, if I click join, I'll be joining the session where the patient is in the session also. So you'll be able to consult.
Finally, when you click the logout, you will be redirected to the login page. Thank you.